Now, a jury began deliberating today in the federal trial of Lucas County Sheriff James Telb and 3 co-defendants. Fox Toledo's Kevin Milliken is covering the trial. The case could take a while to decide.
Possibly the rest of the week, Laura. That's according to some court observers. When you consider the number of counts, 12, the complexity of the criminal charges, and the burden of proof the prosecutors had to meet, it would be no surprise. The 7-man, 7-woman jury deliberated just over 7 hours today before going home. A dozen jurors and 2 alternates considering the case against Sheriff James Telb and 3 others. One juror went home sick late Tuesday and was excused from further service. 2 retired corrections officers are accused of violating the civil rights of inmate Carlton Benton, one for shoving him while shackled and handcuffed, the other for using a sleeper hold that coroners now say killed him in 2004. The sheriff and an internal affairs investigator are accused of covering up the crimes during an election year and lying to an FBI agent 4 years later. The 71-year-old sheriff, now serving his 7th term, faces 3 years in prison if convicted. More than 24 people testified over 12 days, about half of them Lucas County Jail employees and the Sheriff's Department's top brass. Defense attorneys filed a motion to dismiss some of those charges, but the jury is still considering the original indictment in its entirety. The jury will return at 8:30 tomorrow morning to resume their deliberations. Reporting live, Kevin Milliken, Fox Toledo News.